How to add Amazon affiliate link to your Instagram story. If you are an Amazon affiliate partner, you'd like to copy a certain link of a certain product so you can sell them through your Instagram story and hopefully to get some amount of commission. In order to do this, first of all, log into Amazon affiliate and just copy the link of a certain product. Now, I'll totally leave that up to you because that is a whole different process. For now, I'll just copy the URL link from the top. Once I've copied a certain link of a product, let's say, now I can open up Instagram and I can go to your story. So let's say I just want to go ahead and add a link of a certain story in this case. So I'll just go ahead and select a certain, basically a random picture here. Now to add a link, I can see various options at the right hand side. I can tap on the stickers tab like this. Through the stickers tab, I can go ahead and then just tap on the links tab. So here I can see the link option where I can simply paste the link, then tap the done button, and once I've tapped the done button, I'll be able to paste the link from there. If it says link is too long, you can try using some shorteners in this case. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.